Order filled. Order filled.
Damn. Already? I'm in this tricks. Hmm. Why is that gain weight? Dude. Oh my god. Okay, I was about to say, I was like, come on, that don't make no sense. Like, what the hell's even going on? Hmm. Oh no, this is the position I had last week in the sim. This is a sim position. I'm not in nothing right now. My charts, when I opened my charts, I guess I was still in position from last week, last Friday. I'm not in nothing right now. It would have been nice to be up 130 points right now, but I don't know what the hell's going on with this. You know, Windows 11 just sucks at this point. It's all these damn glitches. At this point, all these damn glitches, man. Yeah, all these glitches. But I already know that we about to see probably about to see some red tomorrow, man. Not like necessarily red. I do expect for price to kind of find support here at 885, somewhere in this area right here. I do expect that for a possible retest of this high, and then you can possibly see that dump on Tuesday. But I'm just preparing for the red, man. Hey, what's up, Black X? I mean, it's not. Look, overall, I mean, the trend is bullish. Obviously, I mean, you can look at a higher time frame chart and see, but we are coming into some resistance, so this thing's definitely gonna have to pull back. It's definitely gonna have to pull back to get some more buyers. And if I can catch the short down, shit, I'm gonna catch the short. But I mean, I'm definitely not gonna fight it. Definitely not gonna fight it because I mean, it's still technically in this little range right here. Still technically in this range. And it seemed like we got the little breakout from this range right here. It seemed like they came back, found support. So we got a breakout. They tapped this range. They sold it. They came back up, rejected from the bottom of this range, came back and filled this range up, and then we got a move pop up. So I do expect for a pullback. I do expect a pullback. And then, well, it depends. But like I said, man, hey, you can't say that the geometry on this chart doesn't work because look at exactly where they rejected price at. You can't make this shit up. Dude, you can't make it up. I mean, you got this big trend channel right here. I mean, it's a big trend channel. And not only did they try to sell it once right here at the bottom of it, they sold it again here at this bottom right here. So trend channels definitely does work. And me seeing that they rejected it from here means that this trend channel is correct. This is the correct trend channel because we got the rejection here. We got the rejection here. We got the support. We got price to come back into it after it tricked bears into thinking that this was a short. They tricked the bears thinking that this was a short just for them to push this thing right back up into this thing. You got the rejection literally at the bottom of this trend channel, and you got the second rejection at the bottom of this trend channel. So this is obviously the correct channel to trade on, to reference at least. Yeah, that's definitely the right channel. So, I mean, overall, we're bullish. We are definitely bullish overall. Possibly targeting. Yeah, Gameway says the same thing. 2130. Or you said 2030? Yeah. Hold on. Oh, okay. All right. My bad. I thought you said 2130. So you're thinking that we might be coming all the way back down here? All the way back down here? Taking out this low at 238? That would definitely that would definitely be price literally jumping off a cliff. Okay, hold on. Hey, what's up, man?
Yo, what up?
What's up? Yeah, I just saw your message. And dude, hey, I'm not touching that shit, man. If that thing gets to like $100 a coin, I know I got at least 10 of them motherfuckers. I know I got at least 10.
Well, it dropped a little since after I sent that, but yeah, that was like the top, and then it fell a little bit. But I was like, dang, now I wish I wouldn't have sold my bag in last year in 23.
Yeah. Shit, with crypto, man, you just gotta hold that shit and be like, well, if I lose the money, I'll lose it.
Yeah, yeah. You just gotta accept it. I mean, that's how it was with I had Digibyte, because I thought that thing was gonna take off.
Damn.
But
XRP touched 250. What? Yo, my shit
yeah,
probably
that's
up like 6, 7 right now. I'm up 6, 7 right now, dude. Damn.
That's what I was saying. I was like, yo,
Damn, my brother must
I'm
be
like,
up like
you close to?
6K or some shit, man, because he was up 4 at $1.
Oh, damn.
I'm sorry, what you saying? Shit.
Damn.
He's probably up like 6. And I gotta ask him now. I was like, dude, how much you up, bro? How much you up? Damn, look at that. This is that new footprint chart from TradingView. I didn't know they had one. TradingView got a footprint
Oh,
chart.
really?
Yeah, they do.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. I didn't know that. Oh, I like that because that's like, okay, how do you pull that up? I need to see that.
You see where it says the bars? It says volume footprint. And they got a footprint chart. And then they got the stacked imbalances on this shit too. So yeah. So I guess the idea is that these little areas right here is supposed to represent, could possibly be support and resistance. So if we do get a pullback into this little area right here, there's a bunch of orders right here, and theoretically, if price does tap into this, we should see, a little small bounce, small little bounce.
That
And I guess this is
so
kind of
clear,
true.
easy to read
Mm-hmm.
compared to like Tradeovate sucks. I'm not gonna lie, Tradeovate's footprint chart sucks.
Mm-hmm.
At least when I last looked at it, I don't know if they made any updates to it, but
I didn't know
that
they had
Ninja
one.
Trader, I couldn't really figure it out. Yeah, Tradeovate got it. Couldn't really figure out Ninja Traders like that or
Mm-hmm.
get it to how I wanted it. But yeah,
Yeah, I'm still kind of playing with it because and you said you couldn't figure it out on the on Ninja Trader 8?
yeah. When I was using, I'm back in Ninja Trader now. Just as I told you I was trying to code that thing, but
Mm-hmm.
kept getting errors and stuff. Man, I stayed up all night Thursday, all morning till like 5 a.m. I was like, man, there ain't no way I'm gonna be able to get on stream Friday, and it sucks because the market just pumped. I couldn't catch that. I was in the pre-market fighting with these idiots that's taking taking price back and forth.
Dude, all I know is that like, dude, once I got that pop, dude, I just closed the charts. I walked away and I did not look back because I knew that the Bulls was just gonna call me right back because they was gonna pump this thing. I was like, I'm good. I made my $1,100 in my funded account. I'm not giving that shit back. Let me ruin it. That's why I text you. I was like, bro, did you not get your high today? Did you not get to take a hit of this?
And it sucks. I didn't. I was too busy. Like I had made almost 3K. It was like 2,900.
Mhm.
I should have walked away, but then no, they had to freaking chop me back and forth. Chop me back and forth. And I was like, damn. All the way to like down to like $200. I was like, damn, I really just gave all that back. And then I was like, nah, I gotta get it back.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta get it back. So I stayed up in the trade, and it sucks because I could have had my target if I had just held a little bit longer, but I was tired at that point. I'm like, man, I gotta go to bed.
Mm.
And if I had held a little bit longer, that mess would have hit my target. But
I mean, were you long or were you short?
I was short. Well, so I was both back and forth, but once I saw I was long, caught the long, and then I rode the shorts, and yeah, I was basically going back and forth. But then they started playing games with it,
Mm.
like making you didn't know whether they was gonna take it up or take it down until I realized that they were I think it was 913. I think that was the level.
Mm-hmm.
Or 910, 911, somewhere around there, where they would not break out above. And I was like, all right, well, y'all were rejecting this. It had, history to the left. I was like, all right, well, I'm taking this short then. Since since the Bears are holding this off. So I was in that mess, man. It was slow torture. And like I said, if I would have, ain't no way I would have been still staying up, but I was looking for like 845, I think I was looking for it. Of course, that guy hit and beyond. I think it dropped to like, what was the low? Saw the low at 8. Well, that was at 830. At 830, they took it down to 805 before pumping it back up. But if I would have stayed in pre-market, the low would have been 812.
Mm.
I closed my position. I made $1,300, and that's where I'm at now. I was up 2,900, went all the way back down to 200, and I was like, nah, F that. Because I was literally there for hours. And because I came in around like midnight, 11, midnight, and I didn't go get off till like 5:30, 5 o'clock. Well, I'm gonna miss today's price action, and looks like it was beautiful.
It's unfortunate that you missed that, man, because I was like, dude, man, what a great high. What a great high Friday was.
And I just knew they were gonna do that too. I had a feeling they was gonna pump it up to get to 21K, because that was on the charts or on Bookmap in the pre-market. There was orders sitting at 21K and like 21, 25, 2150. And I was like, yeah, that's gonna be the goal.
Yeah, because I mean, we talked about this, man. It's and that's why having a plan is so important. Because I was like, man, they're going to want to do exactly what they did on Friday. That's why I was so prepared for it. Because I was like, man, one of the cheat codes that everybody should write down, and Gang Weight knows this. He's been in the game long enough to know this, but institutional traders, when it comes to the end of the month, they have quotas. They have quotas to meet. And for those that have to meet their quotas, obviously, you're going to have to take more risk than what you would normally do. And that's why around the end of the month, price gets so volatile. And we was talking about how since Friday was going to be the last day, the last trading day of the month of November, to expect what we expected on Friday. And boy, did it deliver. Did it deliver? Did it deliver? I should have listened to Game Weight, and because Game Weight was telling me about taking my first target, because I was originally in a ES long, and my first target was at like 39 to front run 40 because I thought they was gonna play games. They didn't play no games. The only game that was played is that if you tried to short on Friday, you got turned around and clapped. Like they didn't ask you for permission, they just took that shit. That's all what happened. That's the only game that was being played on Friday. You tried to short that shit, you got it taken away from you. And yeah, so I just took my money, and for once I said, you know what? I'm good. I'm good.
That's crazy. That's what I need to start doing. That's because I my problem is giving everything back. Start making stupid decisions. That's my downfall lately. Giving it back. There'll be some support down here at.
Yeah. What are you looking at? Which instrument are you looking at? You looking at Nasdaq, or are you looking at the ES? Because I got an idea of where the ES is gonna probably pop, but you know the Nasdaq, she does what she wants.
Yeah, I'm looking at NQ right now, or I got them both up, but oh shoot, I gotta upgrade to premium package to get that footprint chart. Is that on your is
Oh,
that your UProfit account or
no. That's my trading view. You didn't get the Black Friday deal? Where it's like $25 a month. It was like $200 a year. Like the whole thing. You didn't get that? Okay.
still got it going on? I think.
Yeah, I would just get that because, bro, I mean, the way they got it prices, you might as well just keep buying it when they give out the Black Friday deal. Because outside of that, like it's like $700, $800. I'm like, dude, y'all charging ain't worth no damn $700, $800 a year. The fuck? And then they got you paying for futures data outside of that, which is an additional $900. So you can be paying $1,000 per year to continue to use their trading platform. Yeah, get the hell out of here. Shit, Bookmap's the same price, and I get more buck for my value with that, and that's for the lifetime. hmm I'm trying to figure out what the hell I did because I kind of wanted to look like how it looked before, but maybe because I'm showing the volume profile, maybe that's probably why. Yeah, because I kind of want to see the I want to see the because I don't need to see. Let me see if that's what changed it. No, maybe if I because I showed the volume on it, maybe. Yeah, I mean maybe that's just what's different. I don't need to see the volume profile or nothing. But yeah, I'm playing around with this footprint chart on NinjaTrader 8, and I can have it. Yeah, I don't want that. I do want a box outline.
Tick based intervals thing?
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
The tick based thing. Oh, gotta get the expert or the ultimate. So which one you got? Premium?
I got whatever one, like the most expensive one, like the one a day. If it's like $25 a month or at least that's how they got it priced. It's the actually let me look at it real quick. I got the premium plan, yeah, for $200.
Premium.
The premium plan.
You gotta get the expert to get the tick charts.
Oh, you don't need the tick charts because they don't have it on. I think they only go up to like a thousand and shit. I honestly,
Yeah,
in
I'm
my
not
opinion, I wouldn't get that.
I wouldn't use it anyway on trading.
Yeah, it's not worth it, in my opinion.
Boo. All right, so what's been going on with this?
Mm.
So where you think ES bounces at?
Uh, probably like around S4 for sure. We could see a bounce back up to like 48, 50-ish, but I do think that we'll probably see that dump. I think we'll see a real bounce around like 28 S4 tomorrow for sure. Somewhere around there because we know that it's a strong low underneath the 16, or it's a strong level here at 618. You can see that they've been using this as resistance. They turned around and used this area as support. And from this area, we got to move all the way up to 660. So it's going to be hard to believe that um, the bulls are just going to give this completely up. So somewhere in this area right here is where we could possibly see them come back in and buy this up. We don't have to worry about that crazy bullshit with the ES. She trades technically. You just have to get in at the right spot, and you just got to be patient with her. The Nasdaq, on the other hand, though, you don't know what this crazy girl gonna do. I mean, I have an idea that probably around S4 as well, we could see them find support, but then they might just come back down here for whatever reason and trying to find support in this range. So if we do see that break of this range, we could see 860, 840. I will be keeping my eyes on the reaction around 885, but they're gonna probably come back down to this range between 860, probably 860.
Yeah, there's orders sitting down at 887. There's a big
887.
block of orders up there.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right. So 87.
87.50.
Okay. All right. So I'm in the right area then. 887, 885 is probably where they're gonna come back in, and we'll probably see like a move back up. Because I mean, if they break 40, you know they're gonna try to come back in and sell the retest of that. So we could see a move from 887 somewhere in this area. We'll probably see them try to take profits. I mean, but this is a Nasdaq though, so it might actually come back and try to rebalance this area at 965 probably. You see how price is kind of hanging around this area right now. If we do get a break and then they do break 940, they might actually come back and try to rebalance this area, and then they'll drop it if that's what they want to do. But um, for now though, they definitely double topped it right here. I mean, it ain't no coincidence that they double topped this damn thing right here. So obviously, the high is at 25, and they double topped it at 1918. So we'll see if the bulls are going to be able to break past that area and keep pushing this higher. We'll see. We will see. But what you thinking though? So what you
I
thinking?
think, here's what I think short term they try to do now. I think they try to buy it up here,
Mm-hmm.
maybe get to, well, I think they go past 65, maybe to like 70, 74, 75. At the at max, at most like 84,
Mm-hmm.
and then they drop it from there to test that previous high down there that happened at 625. So the first one was 610. They made it to 983. The second attempt at 625, they made it to 982.75, and then they just dropped it, proceeded to drop.
Mm.
I could see them trying to push back up to that area and then drop it again. But we'll see. there a Ninja Trader? So when I was trading this, I was like, dang, I gotta get used to this again. Is there a high low thing? Where's that at? Is that in the indicators?
What are you referring to?
Like just the high of the session, the low of the session, and like the midpoint.
I think so. I think so. Look at the indicators. So you see where it got that little, hold on. You probably won't be able to see
I
it.
haven't touched Ninja Trader in so long.
Blasphemy. Blasphemy. Open. No, of course they don't gotta. Oh yeah, you should be able to do it. Do you got the lifetime license, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should be able to have that under the order flow volume profile. Order flow volume profile. It gives you the open, the low, the high, and the close and shit like that. Or let me see. It gives you the high and the low.
Please go to the plan section of client dashboard to add order flow plus functionality. Oh. Plan section of the client dashboard. What the heck is that? I don't know. I don't remember how to work Ninja Trader like that. So I gotta
Oh
get
yeah, they
back
do
in.
got it. Okay, so they got so look at prior day open, high, low, close.
Okay. High, low, close. This I need prior day for. I want I want current.
Oh, okay. So as soon as you said that, so current day open, high, low.
It's not letting me add. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. It's not letting me add it.
It's not. Ah, shit. Damn it. I don't know what the hell I just did with this. Okay. Yeah, I don't need to see the volume profile. Dude, so I think I got an understanding of these footprint charts, of what they're used for. I think I got an understanding. If I'm not mistaken, the footprint charts is for aggressive buying and selling, and order flow tools like Bookmap is for passive buying and selling. Meaning on the footprint charts, the orders have been executed, and if there are orders on the ask or because I think this is flip. I think on the bid, if the sellers are hitting the bid, that means they're aggressively hitting the bid. And then the buyers are on the ask side. It's just kind of yeah, whatever. But yeah, so footprint charts is for executed orders. Bookmap is for passive orders that hasn't necessarily been executed yet. So if you use these two tools together, you should have a better understanding of what's going on in the market. At least that's how I understand it currently. I think the best way to use footprint charts is at levels of interest. I mean, looking at this data, I don't understand how anybody can really trade this, but Yeah, you can see on Friday that there was a lot of buy imbalances to the upside. You can see that the bears kept getting themselves trapped on Friday until they finally got up here at around the high of day. Then you can see the buyers, I mean the sellers starting to really come in this damn thing. You can see it selling, selling, selling until it finally just dropped. You saw a lot of selling balances, meaning that there was more selling than buying. Yeah, there's a lot of selling at these areas. And you can literally see the buying literally dry up at these highs. You really see it in the charts. And then you can see that, you know, as price dipped down, then you see a lot more buying come in. You see a lot more buying come in, but obviously these are late buyers that's about to get clapped. They just don't know it yet. They just didn't know it yet. Oh yeah, look at all this buying, man. Look at all this buying. Bears getting trapped. So that's how I'm going to use these charts. I'm going to probably look into possibly Sierra charts, maybe. Probably look at those. I
Got a
think this
good
is probably all I
footprint
need.
chart.
You said what?
Said, do they got a good footprint chart?
A lot of people talk about it. When I do look at videos of it, it's more visually visually appeasing, pleasing. I'm using that
Yeah.
word right. Yeah, it just looks better. Even though it's going to be the same information, it's just that it looks better. He says Quan Tower has the best footprint chart. Mm. He said, watch gold moves lower from here. Where's gold at, actually? Let's look at see what she's doing. I haven't looked at a gold chart in a while. Actually, before I do that, I gotta look at my baby first and see what she's doing.
And Bitcoin.
See what she's doing. Okay, I see you trying to short. I see you trying to short. Yeah, they shorted this. Yeah, that's gonna probably be a short. I'm in the sim. I'm gonna take this. I'm taking this in the sim. Right now I don't have an account specifically for Bitcoin, and I'm not going to gamble in. Well, with MFF they only give me access to 10 contracts anyway. So I'm sorry, 3. But yeah, obviously I wish I caught this right here, this to short. Actually, they might actually pull this thing right back up here, and this would be probably a better area to short right here. All right, so this is not real-time data on gold, but definitely look at it.
Look at a chart. I like that. Yeah, I like that trading view on it. Like how the info was displayed. Like it's all clear. That's like the cleanest, clear footprint chart that I've seen. I like that.
Mm.
Everyone else has been like, ugh. No.
So Quan Tower, huh? I'm gonna look into that. I bet Quan Tower. Shit. I mean, dude, I want to like Quan Tower. I want to. Dude, you can't tell me that we don't trade. Dude, these aren't sim accounts. These are not sim accounts. Dude, how this thing jumped my order in the sim? Like, dude, like what the hell? Yo, price literally jumped my order in the sim, but the bid and spread on
Probably,
Bitcoin just sucks. Actually, they're pretty good tonight.
yeah, I was about to say the spread is probably off, or yeah.
It's good tonight though. It's only like 20-point spread. That's a That's the tightest I kind of
That's
seen it on Bitcoin.
yeah, that's really good for Bitcoin.
Yeah. He says is good for order flow. Mm.
Yeah, I think they created that platform just for like order flow,
He says Atis.
footprint charts and stuff. ATOS. Yeah, I heard of them. I don't think many people use it though, like popularity and stuff, but I heard.
I mean, it looks clean, man. I mean, that's all I'm looking for. But I mean, bookmap. I mean, not bookmap. I'm just looking for a clean footprint chart because, yeah, like something clean like this. That's all I'm looking for is something clean that I can just look at, and I'm like, okay, I'm understanding what's going on. I'm understanding what's going on. But yeah, I was looking over the weekend and I was like, dude, footprint charts, especially for instruments like the ES, is a cheat code, man. You can literally get confirmation of your bias with these footprint charts. Like it's literally cheating at this point. All I gotta do is like, well, I think the price is gonna bounce here, and I just need the order flow, the footprints to tell me that, to confirm it. Hmm. Oh, so they call them cluster charts on Quantower. Yeah, they call them cluster charts on Quantower.
Cluster charts.
But you need your damn PhD to even figure this crap out. Okay.
I still think Trading Views, what you pulled up was,
You like that
let
one
me
better?
see, greatest.
I mean, I guess if I use that, I would have to I guess I would have to pay the $7 a month for the live data. Which I mean, I guess that's cheap in comparison to everybody else, but I guess it's a principle. And they don't give you a discount to pay for it annually either. I mean, I guess you can kind of see the stacking balance. I guess, but I guess what bothers me about this, or not bothers me, but I guess what I don't like about it is it's too damn big. I kind of want to. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And you just like that it's just easier to just visualize. You can just take a glance at it and just kind of have a
Yeah,
understanding
like
of what you want to do.
yeah, and I like that they put the totals at the bottom, the delta of the candle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Simple, huh? Well, shit. Let's look at NQ then. All right, I'll get the real time data on this.
yeah. Let me I gotta update my upgrade.
Let's see. So I mean, they got a stacked and balanced here at the Nasdaq right here. They got it right here. So looks like 790 to about 770 could be some potential support. Um Oh yeah, it wasn't that the area we were just talking about, 790 to 760. I think we were just talking about that level. I think we were. Um I mean, they kind of they traded through they traded through this already, and they tapped into. I mean, they tapped into this area of supply right here. They tapped into it. So this big area that the charts got marked out. There's a lot of sell imbalances in this area right here. And then they came when price traded back into it. We saw that big drop. So I mean, this thing, I guess it knows. Well, I mean, I think what I have to start doing is kind of getting out of the mindset that this market ain't the whole thing ain't ran by algorithms, and there's sometimes that people actually put their money into it for real, or not for real, but they actually everything is done manually. But I think for the most part, I have to get out of the mindset that this market ain't run like that. Yes, it is. I got to get out of the mindset that, man, it can't be that easy. I mean, is it going to be that easy? I mean, where's the challenge? And then I guess when I start thinking that way, I make it into a challenge by making it harder than what it needs to be for real. And we did get a move into supply. We got a big dump. And this is our second test into the supply area right here. But the way that the EMAs are looking, and it's on a 1 hour chart too. The way that the EMAs are looking, this thing looks like excuse me. We could probably see the top of that. We could see the top of this. That's probably where they're trying to go. They're probably trying to get to the top of this liquidity and probably double top it here at 281. And then we can probably go to the next level of support around 230, around gain weights target at around 21.3. 21.3. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I see what you're talking about, gain weight. Yeah, this is, I mean, obviously, this area of liquidity right here is going to be the next target if the market continues to trade to the upside. I mean, we could see one more move down. We could, but this is probably as far as we go. This is probably as far as we go right here. 760 to about 790. And I think we was just talking about that range. Let me see. $760, $790. Yep. We was just, yep, that's the range. Right here. That's the range right here. So we could see price come right back. Okay, so this is probably where I'm going to no, I think we was talking about this range right here. We was talking about this range around 860 and 830. But I'm gonna keep my eyes on this range right here. I'm gonna keep my eyes on this range because we could see price break below 805, and if price comes back and tests this area, we could see a reaction and it'll move back up into this range right here. We could see that. So I'm gonna keep my eyes out for this range. Mm, mm, okay. So unique, what don't you understand? What don't you understand? You know, kind of going back to what you said, Smith, we could possibly see a move back up from, well, if this is a strong low right here at 41, I guess we could see a move back up into this range, and I would assume that they would drop it there.
990 was the open. Is that right?
You said 990 was the open?
It says 986. Wait, open 995. Oh. It says the open was 995.
For whatever reason, I'm getting that. I'm getting that too. Yeah. Open.
Is this the
Well,
middle then? Open. This the high, right? 21, 4.
the high. Yeah, 21.4 on the micros. Well, technically 21.350, but yeah, 21.4. Yeah. Yeah, the open was 995 for me as well.
This is 990 then.
Are you looking at the Nasdaq? I'm sorry, you looking at the minis or micros?
Minis.
Yeah,
Minis.
yeah, it could be different. Remember that we both went crazy because it's like it opened and it shot up to like what was it? Whatever number that was, and it didn't do that on micros at all. It's like, are y'all crazy? I mean, am I going crazy?
Oh yeah. Yeah, when it shot all the way up.
Mm-hmm.
And definitely did not do that in the micros. That was weird
Yeah.
activity.
Gameway says that flushing your money down the toilet is the best way how to understand the market. We appreciate that knowledge, Gameway. Hold on, let me put my daughter to bed.
I gotta do this from the app. Let's see. That was my spot. That was my chance, and the Bulls didn't take it. That's where it's at right now. So if ES start going crazy, then NQ don't overshoot ES. Oh, no, never mind. Looks like we got some buyers coming in. They got orders at 940. $60. Like I don't really see nothing in the way though to be stopping holding this down. Long time frame supply. Maybe, but I feel like break through this weak one, then we can probably get back towards 21K. But hold on, let me see. Hold on. To how the piss do I upgrade this? To get this website offer, you need to cancel the renewal of the mobile subscription. Buy a subscription here. Okay, I see. Got to cancel. All right, so where do I go to cancel? Oh, you got to do it in the app. Dang it, TradingView. Why y'all making this difficult?
Hmm. All right, I'm back, man. You were saying something?
I'm just talking to myself. Gotta go here, trying to figure out. Apparently, you need a PhD to cancel the TradingView subscription as well. They want me to do it from the app. I can't do it from the website or the desktop app. They want me to do it from the mobile app. I'm like, yo.
You sure?
uh,
Yeah,
uh,
let me look at this. Because yeah, you go to it, you go to your username, you go to accountant and billing.
Staring at the message they got. They said do it from your from your mobile app. And I'm just like, wow, okay.
Okay, so you hold on. So what? Okay, because I guess yeah, because I'm doing it, and I go to accounting billing,
Hold on.
and it says current plan, and you can either change your plan or you can cancel your subscription.
From the
Yeah, from the website. Yeah.
from the website, they won't let me do it.
Really?
I gotta do it. I gotta do it from the mobile app.
That's interesting. It's like, nah, you don't get to cancel your subscription or change it or
Right?
whatever. That's kind of funny.
Premium plus essential. What? Nah, let me do what they say. Just cancel this and get the new one.
You know what? They could, no, on the ES, no. I mean, we could see a bounce at 35, but I think it will only be to rebalance. We could possibly see a bounce here at 35 because we got that double top here and they ran it. And I'm thinking that they might want to come back and use this area as support. But honestly, when it comes to the ES, just trade the edges. There's really no point trying to catch the middle of the chart because it's literally hit or miss. Trade the edges and you will do fine. You will do fine on the ES because even though these people right here, they shorted the middle right here. And I mean, they got a decent move down. This is a decent, I mean, it's not like it's not. This is like about a 17 point drop, which with some size, even with the 10 lot, this is a decent this is like what $700-800 on the 10 lot on the ES in micros. That's a good decent drop. But if they thought that they was going to get a reversal here, they definitely found out. They definitely found out. Yeah, this ain't going. I don't think this holds right here. I don't think it holds. Oh. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that.
I mean, I would like to see them get into this area at least.
Shit, you know what? 36 actually might
62,
hold.
they might go for VWAP.
Mm. Yeah, that shit actually might hold for real. Actually, it might actually hold at 36, 35. Yeah, that might hold right there. And I'm looking at a higher time frame chart. It might hold this, and then they might come back up here to like 48.50 to rebalance this area for a short, and then we'll probably see like a move down here to 28.25, like somewhere right here. That's probably what possibly could happen. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Figured it out. Open heart surgery complete.
You was able to cancel your subscription?
Yeah.
Like, we don't want you to go. We just want you to stay. Mm. Mm. I'm wondering. I'm gonna look at that in a second. I'm gonna look at that, but
I already gave that. Stock market bundle. TC. Back. I think, man, I feel like I'm playing with fire with this position, but
oh, he actually took a position?
yeah, I went long.
Yikes.
Um, yeah, no, could
Yikes.
get out, but I could get out, but for some reason, I think I should stay.
Mm. Well,
I
I will say
hope.
this. ES can potentially bounce at 36, 35, and it's at 41. If you get in long now, you may feel some pain, but I think maybe overall it'll probably work. But if you do it now, you'll probably feel some pain. That's my opinion.
Well, like I said, I'm at break even right now, but
I would keep it there. Yeah, I mean, how big is the position? Is this like a? Well, I guess the real question is, where are you trying to get to?
just trying to get to. Okay, here we go. Oh well, maybe. I want to see them get to VWAP, and I want to see how they react at 68.
Mm-hmm.
68 is because liquidity sitting at. So, but feeling like okay, hold this just a little bit longer. Maybe ES. See, that's the thing. ES is not going to really try to move right now.
No. And I can tell you right now, it's not in an area to move. I think what's holding price up right now on the ES is that it's touching this value area high. Where is it at? Is this my or hold on. For whatever reason. Oh my bad. It's touching point of control. Do I not have point of control on this chart? Oh, I must have took it off.
Be wrong. I could be wrong. I could be wrong, people. Here we go. Okay, we hit 61. Let's see. I'm gonna push this above. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Do that. I'm gonna put my 4 above. Don't come back. It already took me out.
Gangway says, bro, just stop. Get some help. Just short it. Get some help.
Short it.
He said just short it. I mean,
Silly goose.
you know, I'll fight the trend any day, but even I'm thinking like, I mean, okay, so we could possibly see, I think if we do see a pop here, if we do see a pop, they have to get it above 965. That's going to be the first level that they have to get it above if we see a pop. And if they do manage to get it above 965, probably at the bottom of that range around 985, 990 will probably be the highest this thing goes before they dump it. But it probably won't even get there, bro, to be completely honest, but we'll see. Yeah, ES is bouncing at the point of control. I mean, on the ES, it's trying to bounce off the 200 EMA. But like I said, I'm thinking it's trying to get to 36 first, where we got that initial double top right here. We had that break. They had a pullback around 36. So yeah, I'm thinking 36, 36, 37, 36, 37. 36, 37, maybe 38. Probably in the middle of this range right here on the ES, because I think it'll just get knocked down. And Alfred said he was in long for an hour and he just got out at 961. Yeah, I mean,
Damn. Damn, hour.
He
Well, I'm
said,
glad
bump
mine
this.
wasn't as.
He said,
I'm
what?
glad mine wasn't as painful as that. I just got out, but I got back in.
You got back in?
This mode. See what they do at 68. All right, we're in business. I got their Black Friday deal. Code. I think I gotta. What do I gotta do? Friday, Cyber Monday, whatever you call it. Same deal, bro.
Let's actually look at the footprint chart and see what's going on. Yeah, because the higher time frame chart is this is a sell. I wouldn't even try to long this. I wouldn't try to long it. Looking at the higher time frame chart. You said what?
I think we could at least get to. Well, it depends on ES how she's feeling, but I think we could at least get to.
Let's look at this. So on the ES, when you see these engulfing candles, these are usually confirmation candles. People usually use candles like these for confirmation to get in heavier with the ES. These kind of candles right here. And it's kind of hard to fight this. She's not the Nasdaq. That's why if you're a Nasdaq trader, you have to turn that shit off if you trade in the if you're trading ES, because we all know that bulling engulfing or an engulfing candle in the Nasdaq don't mean shit. You can get an engulfing candle to your side thinking, yeah, I'm on the right side, and then you're crying in your pillow because you got trapped, trapped and clapped. But on the ES, these candles mean something. And you got 3 bearish engulfing candles on one side. I don't know, man.
What just happened?
What
Did
do
I
you mean?
not get filled? What the heck just happened?
What do you mean?
Did I not fill that order?
You didn't get filled?
I had a second. I had a second order. See, this is now I remember why I ditched Ninja Trader. Like what? And then it hit. Oh man, it must have been a. Did they ghost me? They just ghost me.
Hold on. Who are you trading Ninja Trader with? Is this your personal account or is this through a prop?
Nah, this is MFF.
Oh, okay. So yeah, look on trading. Like, dude, you gotta keep Tradeovate up. You gotta keep it up, bro. You might actually see it jump your order. You gotta keep Tradeovate up because it's really through Tradeovate, but because obviously Ninja Trader 8 owns Tradeovate, you can trade on both platforms, but it's really Tradeovate that you're trading on. And you will be in a situation where it will jump your order on Ninja Trader 8, but it will still be on Tradeovate. And if it comes back and fill it, it's going to fill it, even though it's not on your chart on Ninja Trader 8. So yeah, just make sure that you pay attention to that.
Uh, I definitely. Well, it filled now, but it filled when price went down. So it took the order off without doing anything. And then when price went down slightly, then it was like filled. And I'm like, yo, what?
Mm-hmm.
Showing I'm in 2 now, but yeah, I don't know. It's kind of crazy.
Yeah, just make sure that you keep Tradeovate up at all times because MFF already has said plenty of times that it's your responsibility, blah, blah, blah. Just make sure that all
Oh,
your
heck
orders are
no.
off. Yeah, off of Tradeovate because it's through Tradeovate, not through Ninja Trader 8.
No, Alfred, I didn't get the expert. I think this is the starter. I think.
That started. I thought about getting the Starter Plus plan, but I was like, dude, I'm not getting that shit. I'm not spending no more money on these props. I think that's probably. I think that's probably a part of the reason why I try to get rid of them. I try to blow through them is because I have so many of them at one time as quote unquote backups, and then trying to focus between all of them. I think it gets overwhelming at times because I'm thinking like, man, if I trade them properly, well, Hmm. Well, I mean, obviously in hindsight, but it looks like at least here on the ES, when price opened up this morning, they was definitely ready to sell this damn thing. And they sold it.
Yeah, let's see that footprint chart. What they
I mean, they're buying it now on the ES. They're buying it. Looks like you got some bears trapped underneath that previous candle here at 640. Got some bears trapped.
Oh shoot, yeah, I see. Yep, 641. That the previous candle, the 311, 216. Dang. 279 there.
They disabled the chat. Why did they disable the chat? Yo, so I'm watching that order flow stream with the footprint, and it has both Nasdaq and ES side by side to each other trading. I don't know why they disabled it. Hold on.
Order flow.
It's called order flow stream, where it has both the Nasdaq and ES side by side together. It has book map, tick chart or tick strike at the bottom, and the footprint charts on the left and right of the screen. It doesn't have all the fancy bells and whistles like I think what Bookmap does, but it does give you the footprint chart. And I think, yeah. Anyway, the point I was trying to make is that in the chat earlier today when I was reading it, they was saying there was a dude was like, yeah, stay away from you, Profit, and I'm like, dang, so everybody's talking shit about you, Profit now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Damn. You profit, you just effed up, you know?
Yeah, I mean, they had the best prop in the game, man, and that's why it breaks my heart. They had the best account in the game, and now they fucked that all up. They messed it up.
Yeah, they might try to sell it here. They might try to sell it off here.
Yeah, bro.
But
yeah.
okay, so I got the order flow stream up. Looking at their footprint for
Calper says a zero payout account. Zero payout account.
zero payout account.
The zero payout account. It says here we low key.
Like, did anybody get paid out?
Dude, I look for whatever reason I'm attracted to the drama at You Profit. I'm in their chat looking at it periodically, and yeah, there's a lot of people. I mean, obviously you got those one or two people that are like, yeah, I'm getting paid out. Like, shut up. You know, with your fake accounts. Anybody that gets paid out don't sit here and and lurk in the Discord and try to say, yeah, I got paid out. Shut up. With your fake account. Talk about, yeah, I got paid out. Shut up. No, you didn't.
Lurking in the Discord. I got paid out. You profit, man. Why you gotta go and do that, man? He's over here promoting you, saying you was the best thing since sliced bread.
Yep.
I got paid out.
Yep. Yeah, I know, Alfred. Like they try to, man, shut up. Trying to sit here and talk about, yeah, we got paid out. Like, dude, there is no trader that gets paid out, lurks in the Discord and feels the need to say, yeah, I got paid out. No. They just keep making money. If that's the case. You gotta sit there and defend You Profit like that. Like, nah. We know them fake accounts when we see them. Well,
that's a stat number.
Hell yeah, it is. Why are you running so hard? Like, why are you running so hard for? Like, what vested in, like, what do you got vested in You Profit for you to ride so hard with them like that?
Oh man, all right. Dang, I feel like they could take this, but why drop it here? For NQ and ES, at least ES you could get to 45 and then drop it. 45, 46, then drop it. NQ you could at least get to like 68, 70 and then drop it.
Yeah, I mean, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna have to agree with gain weight on this one about because we hit major supply. That's why it's gonna probably be hard for the bulls to find a bid on this one. We hit major supply. We had a nasty run up because we had this nasty run up without price action. We got to remember, when there's no price action, how it goes up is how it's going to fall. And yeah, I think the short is going to be the answer. But like I said, I think we might get that to on Tuesday. We could see one more bounce on both the Nasdaq and ES around 885, probably like a rebalance on 885 and 925-ish on the ES, 926, 925. We could possibly see a bounce at 360 as well, back up to rebalance 4850, possibly. But ES ain't looking too good for a bounce. That's why when you say you're trying to look for a bounce on Nasdaq, I'm like, well, I mean, sometimes they uncorrelate from each other, and you could see a bounce on the Nasdaq as the ES just sits there and not do nothing. But
yeah,
I would always wait for the
definitely.
ES to bounce or to get in position.
It's definitely risky right now. And I feel like since ES ain't really pushing right now,
Yeah, we'll see what happens. I've canceled majority. Oh, my bad. Go ahead.
I might just take my break even.
I mean, if push comes to shove, I mean, yeah, at least take the break even. Put your stop above +1. I mean, I wouldn't want to lose money in the pre-market, sit up here, babysit a position, and then when the real money is to be paid at the New York Open, and you just tired and you don't want to trade because you stayed up all night. I mean,
No, I'm not doing that today. That's not going to be a repeat of Friday.
bro, we all know that. We know that we don't have that. We don't make those type of decisions. We know that. We know we see some on the chart, we're gonna get in, and then the charts decide what time you go to bed. The charts decide what time you go to bed. You say, you know, we're gonna stay up until 3 o'clock, right? You want this
target? Yo, I'm telling you. Exactly. That's exactly what happened. Yo, I was in the position, bro. I was in the position, and it literally just did nothing for hours, just back and forth, giving me hope, making me lose hope, giving me hope, lose hope. I was like, yo, I was sitting there for hours. I was like, come on, man. I see it forming. I see y'all ready to go. And then finally, when I said, fine, all right, I'm going to bed, I closed the position. I made my money, but it didn't hit my target though. And then I go lay down, I'll pull up Trading View on my phone, and I see it going down. I was like, no.
No.
Like, I'm too tired to even be mad.
Go back and revenge trade. I'll revenge trade tomorrow.
Man, because I came, like I said, I came in about maybe 11:45 midnight. I saw something, or at least I thought I saw something. I got in on the first wave. And what I noticed with the NQ, it tends to move in, like, the big moves tend to move in like 2 waves. You'll get 2 pumps and 2 dumps or 2 pullbacks. And I came in, like, made a mistake on the first wave. Man, I was stuck in that mess for hours. It came so close to stopping me out too, and then bouncing back. Like, it was an emotional roller coaster for no reason in the pre-market.
Yeah.
For no reason. Oh man. And then only come to find out, I wake up at like 9:30 and I see the market's up like 180 points. I'm like, man, damn.
Yep.
You texted to your text, dude, I'm high right now. Did you get in on this?
You get your hit. You took a hit on this? This shit is good. Damn. That pure price action, baby. That Colombian pure price action. No,
No,
that.
Alfred, no all nighters, man. Like, hopefully the charts can dictate that I can get out of this. No, I'm getting out at 10 o'clock. I don't care, win or lose. I'm out at 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I'll probably be done at 12
I
or
want
10 too.
I want the good price action. No all night, no at the open.
Hmm.
10 o'clock.
It's 10 o'clock. Yeah. One of my positions, what day that was? I forgot which day. I did the same thing. I got caught up, and I think I was in one of my funded accounts. So you can't just close that shit. And the chart was like, yeah, we about to be in this one for the long haul, big guy. Big fella. We about to be in this one for the long haul. And boy, did I stay up until 2 or 3 o'clock until it closed, man. I didn't wake up until 7 o'clock the next day. I had to damn near rush and get everything done before the stream. Yeah, we about to. He's like, you done fucked up, right? But yeah, I think I canceled like a good bit of my U Profit accounts. I still got the 150Ks at the 190 price point because it's like $500 now. Crazy. But apparently, U Profit changed their CEO, and I think that's probably why they're doing all these changes. So now they got the zero account and the 0 day account, and so the 0 day, I guess, is not intraday. You have all your daily loss limit, minimum 4 trading days, and I guess the 50Ks are 39, 100Ks are $60, and the 150Ks are 100. Which I ain't gonna lie, these are decently priced. I ain't gonna lie or nothing. It's just obviously the zero account's the one that you want. The 150Ks are 450.
Also,
But
the 0 day has the drawdown.
yeah, it does. So it's basically a regular account. Hmm. I don't know. I don't know if you hit daily loss limit on UProfit, they haven't done it before. I don't know if they changed it, but if you hit daily loss limit on UProfit, you lose the account. So I don't know if they changed that to kind of be in line with other prop firms, but you lose the account if you hit that. That's why I had to that's the one thing I didn't like about UProfit is that you literally lose your account if that hit that daily loss limit. But then you got a max loss. Yeah, there she goes. There she goes. There she goes. But the zero accounts are now more expensive. But I mean, honestly, if you really think about it, if you're not trading a instrument like, gold, CL, and Bitcoin, I really don't see a point for the swing account because once you get to the funded side, I mean, you got to make at least $200 in 5 days. So that means you'll be trading intraday anyway. So, I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, so might as well get those day accounts, the cheaper ones.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to get paid out, yeah. Yeah.
if they ever decide to pay with their hidden rules.
Yeah. Mm.
All right, I'm about to get stopped out and I'm done.
Mm. Oh, I just looked at your stream. Dude, no way. No
Done.
way.
Stop me out, I'm done.
No
That's
way.
it. Oh, that's it. That's it. It's right there. All right, I think I'm out. I think it hit. All right. That's it. I'll come back in the morning. Crazy.
Just come back in the morning, bro.
Beautiful short. No.
Yeah. That thing rejected perfectly off of my level. Don't ever let nobody tell you levels don't work.
Uh, you what?
Don't ever let nobody tell you levels don't work. That shit rejected perfectly off of that level. Perfectly off of 965. Perfectly off that shit. Well, it looks like it rejected off of actually
You what?
964 and 3/4.
Shit. I know it's not gonna go for that right now.
What do you think it's gonna try to go for?
They not. No, they not right now.
It's like I said, it's probably trying to make its way back down to where that liquidity is at 885 because like I said, I got that same level on my chart. And if there's a bunch of market participants looking to get long at that same area, then I think I mean we probably might get them to run that level a little bit, but I'm pretty sure they'll find support at 885 and we'll see a move back up to 965, 940 probably. We'll see.
Oh,
We'll see.
here we go.
Hey, what's up, Angel? What's up? We're doing good, man. Get out of here. Hey, Gangway, everybody was
What?
like, there was an imposter trading on Friday. It said it was an imposter. I actually traded with the trend. I trailed by stop. Blah blah.
Did you? There's an imposter among us. There's an imposter among us.
You saw Gangway's message in the Discord talking about who is this imposter.
Yeah, I was like, what are they? I didn't know the context. I didn't know what was going on. I'm like, imposter? What are you talking about? What's going on right now? What are we talking about here?
Yeah, we made so much money on Friday, dude. We caught the bottom and we got out damn near the top on Friday, man. We made so much money. We made money in the pre-market on Friday. So that Thursday going to Friday, we caught that money. We caught that right up on Thursday. We caught that right up on Friday. And then we caught I guess towards the end of the session, I got into my UProfit account, caught that pump. I thought I made a mistake, but once we got that big stop run higher, I was like, yep, I'm done. I'm closing the account. I'm coming back on Monday. We made so much money Friday, man. So much fucking money, man.
Good, good.
Dream. Yep, and that's exactly Pine Tree Trader. That's actually what I'm looking for. Is for everybody coming back up or everybody getting back in front of their desk tomorrow and start making the initial short down.
Alfred said you moved your stop loss in profit. No way, I missed.
That didn't
Who
happen.
is this?
I ain't dying.
Game that's right. Who is this imposter? And took some profit before target?
Nope.
Blasphemy.
I didn't do that. I'll let this shit go to zero before I do that.
He took profit before target? Blasphemy.
I never said I was trading like Muhammad.
Yo, that's wild. And I
Damn, unique.
wasn't there to witness. You would do that when I'm not there. The heck? Oh, shoot.
Yep, Magma. We definitely yeah, we made Gamer say you made him proud. Yeah, Angel, we trade live every day, man. Every day. Every day. make this money every day. Well, I kind of hate it though. I kind of hate that the ES. I mean, we'll see what happens. I mean, we could see a bounce here. 36 is probably 36, 37, somewhere around here. We'll probably see it. And I'll be interested to see what happens tomorrow because I ain't about to stay up and wait for it. I know exactly where I want to get in with the ES. I want to get in somewhere around here, like I said. I think 25, like 25 might be that number. Where is it at? Because it's a point of control on my other chart. I don't know why I don't got it on this one. I don't know why I don't got point of control on these charts, but point of control is there. Yeah, you see right here, like 22, 25-ish. You got the value area high right here, 24, 24, 27. So I'm thinking like 25, 25. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be looking for tomorrow is 25. I mean, they could see a bounce at 27, but I think 25 is more likely. And then they'll probably rebalance.
All right, I'm out. Y'all see my position? Be out of here. It's here.
So you said, Angel, you asked what do I use to trade? So it depends. And this is my opinion, obviously. I mean, before I answer that question, I want to say that there's plenty of ways to make money in this market. Me and gain weight beyond. Oh, is it pumping?
What the freak was that?
I saw a pump up a little bit too.
What's that? What is the foot? Yo. Oh, the piss.
Nah, bro. I think you should be good, bro. I mean, you should be good. Oh, okay. Never mind.
Oh my god. All right. I'm done. I'm coming back in the morning.
I think you should be good though.
Plus, nah, I'm gonna make like 5K tomorrow.
Yeah, speak that into existence. But Angel, to answer your question, me and Gangway be on totally different sides. Even me and Smith be on different sides, and somehow, some way, we all make money. So, my particular trading style, I'm an intraday swinger. Smith's particular trading style, he is a short-term momentum-based trader. So he's basically trading the momentum of the market. I prefer to get in at tops and get out. Or I'm sorry, I prefer to get in at bottoms and get out at tops. On the Nasdaq, I definitely focus more on levels than structure because obviously, if you trade the Nasdaq for at least 2 seconds, you know that she doesn't respect structure 100% of the time, but she will always respect levels 100% of the time. So I trade levels on Nasdaq. On ES, I trade more structurally on ES because she respects structures versus levels. So to differentiate the two instruments, it really depends. I'm more accurate on ES because obviously all I have to do is trade the structure. And I know when to get in and I know when I'm wrong. On the Nasdaq, it can get ugly on her. It can get real ugly. Because you think one level is good, but then she keeps on dipping. So
But all right, y'all. I'm gonna head off here, and I will be back in the AM. I already got my coffee ready to go for in the morning. So I don't gotta. Yeah, I don't gotta. I don't gotta mess around making it. Be good.
So it seems like our boy Smith said he's ready. Yeah, and Alfred says all he does is look at the book map chat to see where price isn't going. That's fine. You got your personal tilt indicator, your thing with bookmap chat indicator. Everybody says short. Well, you know it's long. You know it's long.
Too fun.
Yeah. For whatever reason, they said there's a wisdom in crowds, but the crowd is usually wrong. So it's usually best to fade the crowd. At this point, Angel, trading is life. It doesn't even matter how long we trade. It's life at this point. I've been trading. Shit, I don't even remember. Uh, I don't even, like, dude. I really don't even remember. It's been at least since 2019, I think. 2018, 19. It's the only thing that I wouldn't say this is the only thing that gets me up at morning, but it's the only thing that motivates me to be better for sure. For sure, for sure. Yeah, this could be a pump. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, uh, and damn, yeah, 2007, 2008, huh? Hmm. And so that's why I gain weight's a veteran. Yep. You know, that's the crazy thing about money, man. Money does motivate you until you get enough of it, and then it doesn't motivate you anymore. And then it's the game, and the money is just a part of the game. The game excites you more than the money at that point. Hmm. But I definitely won't be doing that anymore. I definitely won't be. I definitely won't be doing that anymore. Getting caught up in the money. I think I'm gonna watch that last episode of Snowfall. I've been watching that all weekend. And I ain't gonna lie, man. Snowfall. I don't know why the hell I was sleeping on that show. Power is absolutely crap right now. I think all the spinoffs on Power is just stupid in my opinion. They're just stupid now. Even the one with the Ghost spinoff, it started off really good. It started off with the story, and now it's just drugs, explosions, new characters, your occasional sex
Drugs,
scenes, and
explosions.
stupidity. She said what?
Drugs and explosions.
You got trained professionals getting killed by teenagers in college. Shut up. Get out of here. Get out of here, dude. Trained professionals getting killed by teenagers. It's so stupid, man. It used to be good, but it's stupid. My girl was like, "Oh my god, I love this." It's like, oh, okay, I get what they did. I get what they did. It is just so stupid. Yeah, Snowfall is like, man, like, dude, this is a story. Like, man, they're actually telling a story. I mean, the one thing else I learned about learning from Snowfall, and I think it's probably the reason it is very interesting that we had a similar conversation. What is it, Thursday? And then I'm seeing everything that we talked about on Thursday in Snowfall, and I think that's probably like one of the biggest reasons why I try to stay comfortable, but don't have too much money. Just want to be comfortable, so you can just live a normal life. Because just like what's his name? Saint Francis. When he got put into this game, and now everybody depends on him now. They don't even see him as a person no more. They just see as someone that they have to do business with. And I think for the longest time, I think that was something that I never wanted for myself. And I think I just never really updated that, I think. But thanks to that therapy session on Thursday, yeah, I think I'm over that now. Why not be a millionaire, right? Gain weight? Why not? Why not be a millionaire? Really goes to show that deep down, us humans, all we want is to be cared for, and we just want to be accepted by other people. That's all we really want for real. But then society makes us not want that, or it feels like we're taking a gamble if we want to quote unquote care for somebody else, because the reality of human nature is if you're on top and you want to stay on top, you always got to keep people at an arm's length. You bring somebody up there at the top with you, well, you can only have one head on top of one body for a reason. Two heads is too crowded up there for two heads. So unfortunately, just like in that show, people's going to betray you once they get a taste of what you got. And and it's usually your family members. It's usually your family members. It's nobody else except for the people that you care about the most. I think I've seen that play out in real life and in TV shows well enough, or I guess enough for me to say, you know what? I guess none of that is not really worth it. I mean, as long as I'm comfortable, I'm comfortable. And I think when I made that decision a very long time ago, I think I just never changed that. I mean, I still feel that way. I do understand that if I bring, like, when I think about my family members, I'm thinking about my close family. And I disclose what I do because I don't really tell them what I do. And the conversations I know the conversations will change. I just know it will. I know it will. It will be from, hey, how you're doing, to, so I need help with this. And I just know that's how the conversation is going to go. I'm going to have to tell them no. I'm going to have to tell them no. I have to tell them that I can't help them, that I won't help them. Because I just know that that's just how it goes, man. That's just how it goes when you're the person with the most money. That's just how it goes. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I'll probably stay on for like 5 more minutes. I'll probably stay on for 5 more minutes and I'm just probably go to bed. Says Alfred says that he was watching the Penguin on HBO Max over the weekend. I thought I looked at that. I thought about watching that, but I was like, it just for whatever reason. And like I said, I have nothing against nobody. I don't care, but I don't want to be preached to. I don't want to be told how to think. I don't want people's reality to be forced on me. And it just seemed like TV nowadays, that's all that shit is. It's just activism. Activist writers trying to portray their worldviews in shows, and it just makes it stupid. And I just try not to watch and stuff like that. And it just seems like that's what TV is about nowadays for whatever reason. Instead of just entertaining people, to try to tell people how to think, and how if you don't think this way, how much of a scumbag you are. It's like, that's what TV is now. Yeah, I mean, that's exactly what the hell that shit is, man. That's why I don't watch TV anymore. And I was actually telling the mother of my daughter this, and dude, if you really look at it, if so, this is all after the fact. Because I don't watch TV and because I don't care, I didn't catch this until I started watching the reactions to the 2024 election videos, like the reactions. And this one TV show kept coming up. Like these females were just saying this one TV show. And so I actually looked into that TV show. And now the whole Democratic parties, like their whole strategy makes so much sense. It makes so much sense. And I understand why women actually believed that this was going to happen, because we all know that women, they choose to live in fantasy worlds. They don't want to live in reality. We know this. So it's called like the housemaid tale or something like that. And I would not be surprised. I would not be. Actually, let's see when this show actually came out. Because if it came out this year, then they did that shit on purpose. The housemaid tale.
Talking about the
Yeah,
Handmaid's Tale.
yeah.
Nah, that's an older show.
Is it? Because they've been freaking promoting the hell out of that show. And yeah, it started out in 2017 and it's still ongoing. And yeah,
Really?
yeah.
What more? What more could you was that story could you tell? Like,
Dude, like,
it's
yeah.
really still ongoing. Like, she made it. Didn't she get her freedom and then she like decided to go back? I don't know. So I don't know.
Yeah, I
I know
haven't
my
watched the
wife was
show.
watching that. My wife was watching that. And
Oh, was you? Yeah. So apparently that's, I think, obviously this is not confirmed or nothing, obviously, but we're just using common sense here, because all the females were saying that, no, we're gonna live in the housemaid tale now. We're gonna live in it now. And I looked at it, I was like, oh my fucking God. Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. No freaking wonder why the Democratic Party was using so much fear this election cycle, because this was being pushed into everybody's algorithm and obviously it was freaking working. And they was just playing off of this show. I wouldn't be surprised if that's exactly what the hell happened, because it happened. I don't know if it happened on purpose. I don't know if it was a happy accident. I don't know if someone was like, hey, so we're seeing a lot of, because a lot of these election now, everything is data driven, everything. So everything that's being said online, everything that's trending, you can literally scrape this information for yourself using Python, and you can see what people are talking about. And if somebody with only 2 cents of brain was on Harris's campaign, that's all they really had to do to see what their voting base was talking about and play off of it. I mean, it seemed like that's what the majority of the campaign was, because it was all Trump was Hitler. Trump was going to take away your reproductive rights. He's going to do this. He's going to do that. Because obviously, you know, people was watching this dystopian TV show and scaring the crap out of them. And they was just playing it off of that. And like I said, I don't know if it was done on purpose, but they was definitely using this crap. But again, I mean, if he was this evil person that they claim to be, and that he was in the White House shaking hands and hugging and kissing each other, or not kissing each other, but shaking hands and stuff, and talking and laughing and having like a good old boys party up there on the interview. Well, I mean, anyway. But yeah. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna digress. I'm gonna get off my soapbox there. I'm gonna get off it. Yeah. Yeah. These shows are called programs for a reason. That's exactly right, Black Axe. Exactly. That's why I don't watch TV. I don't watch it. Don't watch it. If anything, the only thing that I watch is what I do for my career. That's like the only thing. I mean, it's not even really TV. It's just YouTube and trading. Obviously, I like to watch other people trade and see what works for them. See how they look at the market. I mean, I don't look at the market as an auction, but a lot of people do. And I'm not saying that it's not, obviously, but how I see it, because I'm more data driven, I look at it from a data standpoint. I look at it, I mean, technical analysis. I'm looking in the left, and I'm making my decision based on previous price action. And I know a lot of people say that, oh yeah, I mean, technical analysis don't work. I mean, we make money using technical analysis every day. But uh, I think a good book to kind of, what is it called? Let me see if I can find it, because I just actually got done reading it. Deep Learning for Finance. Because I mean, okay, all right. I mean, we talked about this. Maybe in the past, maybe when game weight started trading, this stuff probably didn't work as consistently as it does now. And a good way to think about it is because once they hired all these mathematicians, these quants, and these quants are making algorithms, and then they broke off and they started their own firms, and they're using these same algorithms that they sold to, or that they built for these big institutions in their own firms, making their own money. You got to think, like, just like how the as they call it, the legacy media. I mean, you have social media now. People are getting their news from social media now. These big banks like Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo's, like, they're not the big institutions anymore. They are, but you have these private firms that are making billions of dollars for other investors, and they are now in the conversation. And if they're building the algorithms to buy double bottoms, well, they're going to buy double bottoms. And you can just look at, you don't have to ever take my word for anything. You can just look at the chart and see that how often price is bought from your simple double bottoms, and how often price is sold from your simple double tops, and how price will consolidate in a range, break out from that range, and come back and test that range, and then trade into another range. So maybe this type of trading wasn't always this consistent, but it's this consistent now. And it's because of these quants. They use these when they build and when they build their algorithms. And you got to understand, an algorithm is only a program running a set of instructions. It will not act outside of that set of instructions. If I build a bot and I say, hey, buy 10 million shares at any double bottom that you detect, I mean, it's going to buy it. It's an algorithm. It only does what I tell it to do. And if majority of the algorithms are coded the same and all doing the same thing, buying at measured moves, buying at double bottoms, creating range rotations, I mean, that's all they can do. And with these high frequency trading and all this other stuff that's going on in the market, I mean, it's not surprising that you can look at my chart and see that I have all this stuff projected into the future, and these levels are still being respected as if I drew these levels on here today. They're still being respected. So let me show you. I'm gonna share that book with you guys, and it will give you kind of a different understanding of how you could potentially look at the market, because now trading is basically all algo trading, machine learning, deep learning, all that other stuff for finance. Yeah, so this book will probably give you a better understanding of, how the markets are moving now. Right here. So Deep Learning for Finance, right here. And this is basically what the market is now. It's just algorithms, trading. The majority of the market is bots. That's it. And I'll be the first to tell you that if you think that the stuff that you see on TV with complicated hacking and coding and all that other stuff, that actually works in reality, well, you'll be sadly mistaken. It doesn't. The one thing that coders want and programmers want more than anything is simplicity. Because with simplicity, I can, what's the word I'm looking for? I can expand. It's easy to duplicate simple code. You can't duplicate complicated code. It's just it's unbearable. It's not something that people want. What programmers would want. You just keep it simple. He says, "Where do I get that book?" So this is actually on Audible as well. The Audible, the audio file version of this is on Audible, but I read this on O'Reilly Learning. And this book, this site is for like if you're like if you're a programmer, if you're in the IT field, this book has every IT book here. You just got to pay a subscription and you have access to so many books. So many books. So many. And the best part about it is that depending on which browser you use, you can have the browser read it for you. So you don't, if you don't want to read, have the browser read it for you. I think Edge does it for sure. Edge does it. But I think this book right here is a great book to understand how today's markets are being traded. Mind Over Markets. I think I may have read that book, and I think that's more. Isn't that book more about psychology, about trading psychology? I do want to read this book. Let me see if I can find it. I do want to read this book. It popped up in my Audible feed. It popped up in there. I might read it. Let me see if I can find it. It's like Alpha Trader or something like that. If I can't find it, then I'll make it a point to look for it. Trading mindset. Let me maybe just do that. Oh, Alpha Trader is what the book's called. Alpha Trader. Yeah. So the mindset, methodology, and the mathematics of professional trading. This is the book that I'm going to be reading because now at this point, trading is all math. Obviously you're dealing with numbers, but you're dealing with Fibonacci retracements. You're dealing with measured moves. You're dealing with with a measured move, like a 100% move, looking for 100% moves to the up or downside, or is definitely a great way to kind of like right here. Where would 100% move at? Like if you did like a Fibonacci retracement, like a 100% move, we usually get bounces at a 100% move. I'm not saying that is one. I'm just saying you should kind of use that as an example. This is the book Alpha Trader. And once you get into the mindset of math, geometry, trading becomes a lot easier. Grant Donnelly. Yeah, so this is the book right here. This is gonna be like the next one I read or listen to, read, whatever. Yeah, so this is the one right here where it says the mindset, methodology, and mathematics of professional trading, with a very big emphasis on mathematics. Yeah, that's gonna be the next one I listen to. So yeah, we could see actually a bounce here on the ES. Actually, what did we get to? Got to 38. I mean, that's close enough. I think that's close enough. I think they actually might just bounce it here. We could see a move back up to about S2 at 43. And then they might actually run this probably like to 37, 36. It's like I said, like point of control and these value area highs are very accurate on the ES particularly. And so if you can get around a point of control and you can kind of see it right here, you see where it's like 37. I think that was like last week's value area high. So this could be where the market really wants to bounce at. We'll see though. We'll see if they bounce it here, we get the S2, and then they come back down to like 37, 36, and then we see that rotation back up to about 48.50 right here. We'll see if that happens. And we'll see if that happens. And the footprint chart on the ES as well is really good. I think the footprint chart works the best for ES actually. All tools work for the ES. Every single one of them works. It's very accurate for the ES because of how liquid it is. Look at that. There is a bunch of buy imbalances in this area right here. And you can see it. Let's actually push this into the future and see what's going on. Let's push that into the future. To the day. December 2nd. Because there was a bunch of buy imbalances right here. And look at that. You like that is absolutely, that's beautiful right there. It came right back into this area right here. And the information was right here in this candle. And they came right back, tapped it, and they went. That's beautiful. That's beautiful to see. But these sellers got trapped. These sellers got trapped low. So, and it looks like they tried to sell underneath this value area low right here. They tried to sell it. And this is why I think that we probably might see price come back down to like the 24, 25 before we see a bounce or like a real bounce on the ES. Yeah, like 25. Yeah, like 26, 25 on the ES. Because right here, we got that buy imbalance and we push that out into like the future and we'll see. Okay, so that's where the buy imbalance was. And then you can see that the bears got trapped right underneath this and it got bought right back up. They used it as resistance for like a while and then they turned around and used this as support. So yeah, so I think that price is going to come back down here and they're going to buy it right back up. So this is where I'm going to be looking for right here. I'm going to be looking for that area right there. This what platform did I use to trade? I use NinjaTrader 8. For profit, I use TradingView to trade. But I prefer to trade on NinjaTrader 8. I think this is the best platform to trade futures, is my opinion. It's the best platform. Oh. Yeah. You said Bill Williams. Okay, so I'm not familiar with who that is, but I'm gonna look him up though. Black X. You said Bill Williams. Bill Williams. You said Profit Unity. Profit Unity. So modern trading psychology. Okay. Looks like he has some videos. So yeah, I'm definitely going to
Day 16, a new week for opportunity, and just put up Apple to begin with, and we actually are looking.
Okay. I'm definitely going to look into this. Like I said, I like watching other people trade. I like always learning how other people approach the market. So I'll definitely look into that. Actually save this real quick. And for anybody else that wants to know, looks like he has a YouTube channel called or at least if this is not him, this person is hosting his videos. So Project Trade says Bill Williams Profit Unity. Yeah. So if you want to look at it yourself. But all right, guys, I'm going to end it here. We'll be back New York Open, and we will definitely make some more money. And with that said, everybody, peace out. Have a good night.